Imagine waking up exactly 1 year from now. Your bank account no longer a source of stress, but a symbol of freedom. Your future not a question mark, but a well-crafted plan in motion. All because today, you made a decision with $100. What if I told you that this single choice could set off a chain reaction that transforms your entire financial reality? This is not a fantasy. This is not a gimmick. This is a beginner's path to investing, a roadmap forged by those who understand the rules of wealth, and today, those secrets are yours. Welcome to How to Invest for Beginners starting with $100, a journey into the mindset, the method, and the mission that separates financial survival from financial success. You do not need a finance degree. You do not need thousands of dollars. What you need is a shift mentally, emotionally, and strategically. Step 1 is mastering the psychology of wealth. Understand this. Investing is not just about numbers. It is about behavior. The rich think long-term, while the poor seek quick dopamine hits. Your first investment is not in stocks or crypto. It is in training your brain to delay gratification. Step 2 is choosing the right broker. Sign up with a commission-free platform like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity. These give you access to the stock market with no minimums. Step 3 is building your foundation with ETFs or exchange-traded funds. With $100, you can own a slice of the top 500 companies in America by buying into something like VU or SPY. These funds track the S&P 500 and offer instant diversification, lowering your risk and increasing your exposure to long-term growth. Step 4 is learning to play offense and defense. Set aside 70% of your capital for safe bets like ETFs and use the remaining 30% to take calculated risks in individual stocks you understand. Choose industries you already interact with: tech, healthcare, green energy, and research companies making waves in those spaces. Step 5 is to automate your growth. Set up recurring deposits. Even $10 a week can grow exponentially over time. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and automation ensures you never forget to pay your future self. Step 6 is education. Read one investing book per month. Follow financial YouTubers who focus on long-term wealth, not hype. Make learning a daily habit. Knowledge compounds like money. Step 7 is control your emotions. The market will rise and fall. Your job is not to react, it is to stay consistent. Wealth is transferred from the impatient to the patient. Remember this every time fear or greed tries to hijack your decisions. Step 8 is reinvest your profits. When your stocks pay dividends, do not cash out, reinvest. When you make a gain, do not spend it, compound it. Wealth is built not from what you make, but from what you keep and grow. Step 9 is expand your portfolio over time. As you grow your income, increase your investment. 100 becomes 500, then 1,000, then 10,000. The power is in momentum. Step 10 is protect your gains. Learn about tax-efficient accounts like Roth IRAs and avoid penalties by knowing the rules. The rich do not just earn, they preserve. Now here is the secret most people never tell you. The wealthy do not have more opportunities, they have more information. They act early, stay disciplined, and understand that money is a tool, not a goal. You have that same opportunity right now. Starting small does not mean staying small. Remember, every billionaire once had $100 or less. The difference was their mindset, their habits, and their willingness to start when it felt insignificant. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is right now. This is your wake-up call. This is your permission slip. This is your blueprint. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is the decision to act. Like this video if you feel the shift. Comment below with your biggest takeaway to lock it into your mind. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because each video we drop is another key to your vault of success. Watch our playlist How You Can, and let each episode upgrade your thinking, your strategy, and your results. Your future self is watching. Make them proud. Your journey starts now.